black life matters, and matters the white. So how about Kashmiris demanding their right? The right to breathe, the right to live, the right of freedom and of opinion to give. Where the kids get slain, spilling blood like rain. Where the killing is legal and rape is the norm. No one is noticing this brewing storm. Imagine the torture, imagine the fear. Look in their eyes to find the tear that drowns the global claim of all lives matter. So how about Kashmiris who deserve much better? The price of freedom, how long they have to pay, how many more be killed to have their say. The chinars are burning, so the snow shall melt. The agony of Kashmiris one day will be felt. Till then, the struggle is real and resilience is on. They kill a fighter and a fighter is born. The claims of India are bound to shatter because Kashmiris seek freedom. Kashmiri life matter. Kashmiris seek freedom. Kashmiri life matter.